Hey guys, Nick here with ZZ Diesel. Going over a product we just got in, threaded LB7 injector cups. For you 01 to 04 guys, worried about pushing a cup up under high horsepower situations, or you just did an injector job or head gasket job and you want to assure that you're not going to have any combustion pressure pushing past the cup, make sure you get that thing sealed good. Threading cups are the way to go. So got a little kit here with a punch tool, goes from the back side here, lines up to injector cup and knocks it out of the head. You can also use the expansion cup pullers from the top. It comes with 8 cups, obviously. Comes with a cup install tool made out of tool steel. Indexes into the cup, allows you to thread it in there. Kit also comes with a drill and tap, so you don't have to source those separately. It'll also come with thread locker for the threads and cup sealing surface, as well as 16 O-rings for the cup bodies. You can find these on zzdiesel.com under our LB7 category. Thanks, guys.